Want to make your edits look cinematic? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add eye-catching 3D sphere transitions between your clips in CapCut. It's quick, easy, and looks amazing. Start by opening your project and making sure your video clips are arranged in the timeline in the order you want them. Once that's done, head over to the Transitions menu, usually located between two clips when you click the small transition box. In the search bar, type Sphere Album. If you haven't used it before, you'll need to download it. Just tap the download icon and wait a moment. To apply the effect, you can either click the plus icon on the transition preview or drag the effect directly between your two clips. If CapCut gives you a prompt about duplicate frames, simply click OK to confirm. If you're working with more than one clip and want the same style throughout, use the Apply to All option to instantly add the 3D sphere transition between every clip in your project. You've just leveled up your edit with stunning 3D sphere transitions. Keep experimenting with speed and placement for even more creative results.